Welcome back, my friends. This is Karthik Nagarajan, your technology buddy. Today, I would want to discuss about how to use NotebookLM for your project management. You see, NotebookLM is a Google application, but everyone is speaking about how to now do our slide deck, how to now do our videos, audios, quiz, all those. But let's focus mainly on how can you use your NotebookLM as your project manager, as a project manager. You being a project manager, you don't have to stress too much. You can just upload, you can just maintain an Excel sheet. Yeah, Excel project management is 100% possible through NotebookLM. You don't have to worry about whether you know how to handle the Excel tools, how to code, how to program, all those Visual Studios and all those .NET programming. Nothing else is an issue for you. You just create an Excel sheet, and in that Excel sheet you manage all your data. If you want support in how to create a project management Excel sheet, you just comment in this video for me to now communicate with you and share with you a sample, or as per your requirement, I can create Excel sheets for you and I can share it with you out of no cost, as a friend, as your technology buddy. Now the thing is, using this Excel sheet, you capture all your data. Every time when you go to NotebookLM, you create a NotebookLM once, you create a new note, and then you now add that as the source, your Excel sheet as the source, and then start asking your questions, now analyzing, do everything. So you can monitor the project, you can analyze the project, you can create WhatsApp messages that you have to now post it in WhatsApp. You can still create emails for those who are not performing well or those who have performed well for an appreciation, or even you can now create a dashboard. You can create activity Gantt chart. All those things are possible in NotebookLM. So this is now the thing, because what you are seeing as tools in the sidebar for NotebookLM is not the only thing that you can do. You can still use the chat option to chat with your Excel sheet and ask whatever you need and get that message and post it in Excel, post it in WhatsApp, email, and communicate whatever it is. And also you can ask even, what am I to do today in this project? Yeah, it is a very obvious question. Who are the ones who has not delivered yesterday? Who are the ones whose responsibilities are very important? What are the activities that are to be delivered before 20th of next month? All these questions. As a project manager, you can now use your data to be to be a human for you to speak with your data, and just use an Excel sheet. So this is for project management, and this becomes a very good platform. You don't have to look for a specialized project management tool, because Prince to project management courses, what, you just have all the informations in ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, ask what are all the questions you have to ask daily for a project to be run properly and for a project to be delivered in a proper shape, and then now ask those questions from the NotebookLM by adding your source into the NotebookLM. The source is your Excel sheet, and Excel sheet is a simple workbook in which you have all your data captured in multiple sheets. And if you want the Excel workbook format, I am ready to share with you. Please comment on this video. Thanks a lot, my friends. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.